Hi, this is Caesar, and we will be continuing our part 2 of our 2 video series. World Book Advanced also includes several other useful features. Let's check these out. By hovering over in the headlines, you will see articles that were published today. Clicking on one will redirect you to the Washington Post website. The Research and Resources tab next to it includes Behind the Headlines, which shows current events by topic and lesson plans, both provided by World Book. Citation Builder is used to properly and add references to your paper. First, choose your citation type. Hit go and fill out the necessary information. Once you're done, click Create Citation, and World Book will cite your sources in MLA, APA, Harvard style. You can also save your citations in your workbook account. Compare Places allows you to choose 2 locations to juxtapose. The Pathfinders tab allows users to create their own collection of multimedia content on a research topic, which you can share with other workbook users. Timelines show us different topics throughout history. To find the progression on video games, we'll click on Science and Technology, followed by Computers, and finally, the history of video game consoles. Here you'll find that the inception of the video game began in 1972 to its current update of 2017 with the release of the Nintendo Switch. Timelines also allows you to create your own timeline for your personal endeavors. To create your own, go back to the home page and click on Create a Timeline. From there you can add a title, a description, and upload images. You also have the choice to pick a background theme. For example, the title of my timeline is The History of FBCL. Adding a description is optional. When you're ready, click on Create, followed by Create an Event. To add your first event, then add start date and event descriptions. This will allow you to create, update, and store all your information in chronological order for any future projects. The rest are other useful resources, which include government websites, which link you to official government pages, interactive maps is a clickable map that will allow you to choose continents, countries, and states. Clicking on these will direct you to the page article. World newspapers will link you to local newspapers for the place that you select. World Resources includes interactive maps, World Book Atlas, and Compare Places. And that concludes our user assessment of World Book Advanced Database.